Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to cash out your crypto from Newton. This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I'm happy to answer it. But before we get into the specifics, I want to talk a little bit about why you might want to cash out your crypto. There are a few reasons. Maybe you need the money for a down payment on a house or to pay off student loans. Maybe you're just looking to take some profits. Whatever the reason, it's important to understand the process before you start cashing out your crypto. So, how do you cash out your crypto from Newton? The process is actually quite simple. Here are the steps. Log into your Newton account. Click on the Portfolio tab. Select the cryptocurrency you want to cash out. Click on the Sell button. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell. Click on the Confirm button. Once you have confirmed your sale, your cryptocurrency will be converted to fiat currency and deposited into your bank account. It's important to note that there may be fees associated with cashing out your crypto. These fees will vary depending on the cryptocurrency you are selling and the method you use to cash out. Tips for cashing out your crypto. Here are a few tips for cashing out your crypto. Be patient. It can take some time for your cryptocurrency to be converted to fiat currency and deposited into your bank account. Be aware of fees. There may be fees associated with cashing out your crypto. Shop around for the best exchange rates. You can use a website like CoinGecko to compare exchange rates from different platforms. Consider using a hardware wallet. Hardware wallets are more secure than software wallets, and they can help you protect your crypto from hackers. Cashing out your crypto from Newton is a simple process. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily convert your cryptocurrency to fiat currency and deposit it into your bank account. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crypto content. I'll see you next time.